What do you know about Denmark?
It's a Viking country.
Okay. Do you know the capital in Denmark?
Copenhagen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you been in Denmark before?
Never.
Okay. What do you think about our country? You haven't been there, but
I've never been, so I don't. I've been Norway, but never Denmark.
okay. Have you heard about Hans Christian Andersen before?
Jens Jensen.
The Ugly Duckling.
Is it Jensen?
The Little Mermaid. Do you know her? Serious? Okay.
Who's a Little Mermaid? Who's a Little Mermaid?
A mermaid on a stone. She's sitting and looking over the sea.
Yeah, I obviously don't know.
Okay. Try to say rød grød med fløde.
What the hell is that?
It's a Danish dish.
Rød. Okay. Rød.
What?
Rød.
Oh,
Rød.
I ain't doing it.
It's okay.
That's hard, man. How would you pronounce that?
Danish worst. Not easy.
It's hard.
Okay, we'll try again. Rød.
Nah.
I
ain't doing it.
Okay, we're finished. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you very much. So do you know Denmark?
I've heard Denmark. It's in Europe.
Yeah. Okay, what do you know about Denmark?
It's a small country
Yeah?
full of Danish people.
Of course. So you've never been there?
No, I haven't.
No. So you know the capital of Denmark?
No, I don't.
No? Copenhagen? Have you
Yes,
heard
I
about
do.
it?
I have.
Yeah?
Yes, I do know.
Have you heard about Hans Christian Andersen?
Yes. Read stories. Very
Yeah. Which fairy tales do you know?
Grimm's? I just really don't know.
No? Not.
I'm sure I've read them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you say any Danish words?
Would you like to say something? It's a Danish fish. Nej, dish. It's a Danish dish. Rød grød med fløde.
No, it's probably something funny and embarrassing.
No. It's a
Say-
dish. It's a
say it
dish.
again.
Rød grød med fløde.
Rød. No, I'm not even going to attempt it.
Oh, it's okay. Well, thank you so much. We're in Denmark. We're in England. We're in London. We live in London. So, what would you recommend for us to see? London Eye. Okay.
Why?
Yeah, why?
Okay.
What about any bars or somewhere
Restaurants,
to party?
something?
Anything?
Baker Street.
Okay, that's in London? Yeah, okay. We should try that. Han fatter ikke.
Rule number one.